Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to know how can one register himself as a tutor in Dynamic Tutorial. The first step is to fill in all your details. The second step is to upload all the necessary documents, so, let's begin. First of all, you need to enter into the website, www.dynamictutorial.in. Don't worry, you will find out the link in the description section of the video. Then, click these three lines on the top right corner. Then click on the Register as a Tutor option. The website will load the registration form. It's the first step. Here you need to fill in your name, father's name, address, your date of birth, your mobile number, and all other details. Please verify your mobile number twice. You will receive all the upcoming inquiries on that number only. Then, tick the box after reading the terms and conditions and click Next. You can read the terms and conditions from the link mentioned. Here is the second step. You need to upload the documents as required. To upload the document, simply click on the icon Upload, then select the file and upload it. Then tick the box after reading the privacy policy. You can read the privacy policy from the link mentioned. Click Submit. Now that you have registered successfully, save the mobile number visible on the screen and keep checking its WhatsApp status. You will receive further details on WhatsApp from one of the numbers of the tutorial. Thank you.